You're already working faster in Blackpurl too. But what's coming next? It just got a whole lot better. Workspaces was the start of Blackpurl 2's new journey. Now a new selling and quoting experience joins it. Redesigned for speed, mobility, and the easiest selling and quoting experience in dealership management software. Header, the persistent identity and action bar that keeps the customer information visible. Tabs that show you exactly where the deal, work orders, or part sales stand. They replace the accordion tile layout from the classic selling experience. Instead of scrolling through stacked tiles, you click between tabs. Your summary, your deal, financing, service jobs, and part sales. A sidebar that adapts to the work in front of you. Drawers that bring customer notes, approvals, attachments, and service history that used to live in 5 different places into one. This means it takes way less scrolling and clicking to get the job done. No more scrolling past unrelated sections. No buried links. Almost everything you need is now one click away. Tools right where you expect them to be. Quote and sell from any device. It only takes one click to see technician reporting, profitability, messaging, and more. In the new selling and quoting experience, it takes up to 35% fewer clicks to complete a transaction, so you can get more done with the same team. Want to switch back to the classic screen? You can anytime. Just look for the button under your profile icon. The easiest selling and quoting experience. Coming soon to your Blackpurl 2.